Patriot from Chaparral Motorsports here with Talon from Acerbies, and today we're looking at their skid plate. What makes your skid plate different than the other skid plates in the marketplace?
Well, you know, we're always evolving, and the latest technology we've put in this is a dual mold injecting the rubber here. So what's really nice about this is when you do put it on, you have a little bit of rubber between your skid plate and your frame, so you're not going to get that damage and you're not going to get that noise when it vibrates. And the other point is they have a carbon fiber look, so you get a really nice aesthetic, and I'd say they went all in on this thing here. You know, you're getting the full protection. Even on the back, they've taken consideration for the linkage. So a lot of our guys like Cody Webb ride the extreme enduro crosses, and so we've just, again, taken that information from them, protect your linkage, ultimately protect the whole bottom part of your bike. Take a look. We have a big variety, cover many years of models, different colors, see what works best for your bike, and yeah, try it out.
There's another thing that I've heard from guys that are running aluminum versus plastic. They've done aluminum for years and years and years, and a lot of guys are moving this direction.
Yep.
And the two reasons that I've heard, number one, when you hit that rock and you're going to go slide over, the plastic tends to slide easier and not grab like the aluminum does.
Yep.
The aluminum, you basically get a hole in there and it stops the bike's forward momentum.
Yep.
And the second thing is weight. These typically are a little bit lighter than the aluminum skid plates.
They are. That's 100% right. So what happens with aluminum is when they tighten them up, it has a tendency to make the frame a lot more rigid. You get a lot more flex out of the plastic skid plates, also less vibration or noise. So this is really the benefit of running a plastic skid plate. So if you get a chance, opportunities, I definitely suggest grabbing one of these new Acerbies skid plates.
If you want protection for the bottom of your bike, the Acerbies skid plate is something you should probably take a look at. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. I'm Kyle from Chaparral Motorsports. This is Talon. Until next time, take care and ride safe.